Christmas and a Happy New Year. Welcome to another video. My name is Marika, behind the camera is Mark, and we are Magical Vacation Guide. And in this video we're gonna guide you through what you can expect from 2024. We already made a video on the first quarter of 2024, so we also have a lot of details there, but I want to take you through them at least with what we know about 2024. What can you expect? Are you looking to book for this year? Definitely watch this video. 2024 theme in Disneyland Paris will be refurbishment. A couple of things are opening up after refurbishment and a couple of things are closing down. Well, let's start with a positive. Opening up. The Disneyland Hotel will open again on January 25th with a new Royal Princess theme where you can meet all your favorite Disney princesses while having your food. That is amazing, and they have a whole new merchandise line and it's great. We have a video on the resorts where we also have like extremely detailed the reopening of the Disneyland Hotel with all the concept art and all the little details. So if you're curious about it, definitely watch that video. You can skip through the whole video and only watch that part, but while you're there, why not watch the whole video, right? Sequoia Lodge will be in refurbishment. That's the hotel that will be in refurbishment. Probably it won't bother you if you're staying there, because I think they're going to do it more like phase-wise because they have so many different buildings. But I do think there is a limited room for you to book. So if you want to stay at Sequoia's Lodge, definitely book on time. We have a link down below where you can book this hotel. Also being on refurbishment is Walt Disney Studios Park. I know. Well, the Walt Disney Studios Park has been in refurbishment for a couple of years now. I mean, with the building of Frozen Land, that takes already like 3 years, and the reopening of the Avengers Campus, which made, when we didn't have that area, Walt Disney Studios was really little, but now things are more opening up and there is going to be a little bit more. But Studio One will close down for refurbishment. They are going to take on the whole interior of Studio One. Studio One is that big lot that you see when you walk through if you go through the entrance. So you won't have a counter service anymore, and the biggest shops will close down. We don't know for how long, we don't know how long it starts. We don't know. We just don't know. So, but if you are here, be prepared to see that. I think they're going to have a detour around Studio One. So always remember that, but they do not have a lot of shops open there. But the best shop after all is the one at the entrance. When you go to the entrance and then the left, there's this big merchandise shop, and I already think that's the best one. So that's okay for me. But with the refurbishment, they're going to give us something more. They're going to give us an updated Studio One, which was long overdue. And they're going to give us Frozen Land in a couple of years, although we don't think that it will open in 2024. Planet Hollywood has filed a permit to take down Planet Hollywood. It's been closed for a year now, and we don't know what will come back, if they're gonna build a shop. We don't know, but it probably will be taken down, so we'll update you on that later on. Restaurant Rosalie has opened its doors instead of Cafe Mickey. So that is a good thing for opening up, and Disney Village. Disney Village will all be refurbished. So I think they're going to, maybe not a lot of things will open up in Disney Village in 2024, but I do think that a lot of things will be announced to do. Also, big thing in 2024 is the Symphony of Color. With an amazing last couple of years, with the 30th anniversary where we had all these amazing shows including Dream and Shine Bright and Disney Delight, Disneyland Paris has decided to do something else with the drones and a hub show. January 8th will be the day that Disney Symphony of Color will premiere. Disney Symphony of Color, the show. Is it right here, the castle? Okay, good. I don't know. On the on the castle, they have a fireworks show for the Symphony of Color, and it will be an amazing drone show with 500 drones. And when you see a little bit of the promotion material, it's going to be amazing. We even saw Peter Pan's, or well, Captain Hook's ship. So I don't know what they're gonna pull off, but I do think it will be so much more events than Disney Delight. On February 10th, and they will premiere a new hub show, include here on this hub on Central Plaza. I think they're going to do a little bit like Dream and Shine Brighter with a show stop. And it is the first time that Mirabelle will be in Disneyland Paris. We've seen her already with the 100th birthday, so that was her official premiere. But her premiere as an official character, as an entertaining, will be with this show. All these shows will go on to the end of September when the Halloween and Christmas season starts. Tinkerbell will also decorate Main Street in the middle of February to decorate it all in pixie dust where we can enjoy it. The decorations will hang until the beginning of April. And in the spring of 2024, we will get a new Alice in Wonderland stunt show on the place where they had the car stunt show. I don't know what to expect, but we were in these parachutes the other day from Pixar and Walt Disney Studios, and we could see a little bit of construction work going on there. So I am really curious about what they're going to pull off with an Alice in Wonderland stunt show, and it is supposed to be interactive. So let's go on with the events. Last year in 2023, they did not have a lot of events. The Halloween nights were skipped. They don't have a New Year's Eve, which is a shame. So I don't think that will come back too. Disney is trying to be really inclusive, and they are doing a good job at it. Let's be honest, they are doing a good job. So I think that the Pride Night will go on. And it probably will be the second or third weekend of June. That is what they have done the recent years, so I think we're going to aim for that. June is Pride Month anyway, so I think they're going to do that. And what I also think is going to be really big is 14 Juillet, July 14th. It is the biggest French holiday, and last year they had these amazing drones. We were here on July 15th in the park, and we were in our hotel, and we could watch a little bit of the drones from our hotel, but we weren't there. And when we saw the footage, oh my god, we regretted it. We weren't there. It was amazing. They had like this drone flying through, and they had like this Mickey in the colors of the French flag. If you want to see some drones, 14 Juillet is the one to go. I cannot guarantee it. They did not announce it beforehand. But we do know that it's a French holiday and it's really, really big. There are not a lot of seasons in 2024. A couple of years they had a lot of seasons. They had the Pirates and Princesses, they had Frozen, they had Marvel season, they had the Jungle Summer season. I don't know, but now they only have what is announced, Halloween and Christmas. It is almost definitely coming back. I love to see Disneyland Paris doing a little bit more seasons throughout the year. Well, in the summer we can expect a little bit more athleticism here in Disneyland Paris, because the Olympic Games, the amazing Olympic Games that only held once every 4 years, that is a worldwide event, maybe you've heard of it, are coming to France and Paris. So I think this summer will be all about sports and Olympic Games. I don't know what Disneyland Paris is going to do with it, but it is such a big event. I do think that it will be more crowded during the summer. The Olympic Games start on July 26th. So that is what is going to happen in 2024. So there you have it, everything you need to know before you go in 2024. I know not a lot is known, and I'm only talking about speculations here, but Disneyland Paris has been a little bit secretive lately, the last couple of years. Or they announced things like the last moment, like a month before. So definitely keep yourself updated, subscribe yourself to our channel. Yes, here's my marketing talk, here's my sales page, but honestly, if you subscribe to our channel, if you like our videos, of course, it would make our day. We are so grateful and we're so enthusiastic and so happy when you watch our videos. If you have any questions, comment it down below or send us a DM on Instagram at Magical Vacation Guide, or check out our website, and it would delight us. It would be our most amazing Christmas present from you to us. We are really excited. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in another video, and we wish you a magical time wherever you are. See you real soon. Bye.